everybody, it's Denise Austin.
And her daughter, Katie Austin. And if you have 10 minutes and you want a fun cardio workout, we got you.
Let's go, have fun. That's what it's all about. That's right. Stay healthy, stay fit, and enjoy life. Yes, 10 minutes and we're gonna work all the major muscles of the body, head to toe, low impact.
That's right, and a lot of these moves you might recognize from my mom's videos throughout the last 40 years.
Yes.
But nothing boring over here. We're gonna break a sweat. If you guys need just 10 minutes to de-stress, this is for you.
Yes, twist it out now for the waistline. Come on, twist and reach. You got it. Good. Put a smile on your face. We're gonna burn a little butter. Have a little fun time.
I have a lot of butter in my body. I have about 2 tablespoons a day, so we're gonna need that.
And olive oil. That's it, the good fat, no. 2 more. Last one, and twist it out for the waistline. Yes, twist it out. Have a good time. Yes. Beautiful. Really twist. Keep those abs tight. Good. Keep it going. You can do it. Great. Twist.
Great for
Twist.
the abs, but also make sure you're squeezing each booty cheek.
Yes. Woo. Squeeze. Squeeze. If you don't squeeze it, no one else will. 2 more. Last one. Okay, side steps. Here we go. Keep it low impact, easy on the body, easy on your joints. That's it. Really get low. That's it. Changing the levels is what's really going to burn those extra calories in a quick, efficient way. That's it. Good. Swing it out. All right. That's great. And now we're going to do a little heel lift. A little heel lift. There you go. Let me see those biceps. Yes, beautiful biceps. Hamstring curls with bicep curls. You can do it. Great. Good. For those of you that want a little more, you could add a little lift to it. But I'm going to say right here at low impact. That's it. Great.
Who cares what you look like, y'all? Just keep moving those bodies.
Have fun. That's really what it's about. Good one. 2 more. Last one. Okay, side to side. Just push it up. Push it up. That's it. Push. Great. That's great. Pull. That's it. Good. Get lower. Let's go. Use those thighs. They burn calories quicker at a faster rate. That's it. Lower. Your muscles burn more calories. That's it. Get down there. Good. Excellent. You can do it. 2 more. Last one. Okay, and heel tap it out. Just heel tap it
This is
out.
my favorite.
Yeah.
You know why this is my favorite? You can make it anything you want. You can be creative with your heel taps. If you're a dancer, go all out.
Woo!
If you're a beginner, just stay right here. Do whatever is comfortable for you.
And have fun. Good. Great.
The one thing to do though is pump those arms. Pump those arms. Yes.
Pump.
Pump it out, baby.
Yeah.
And squeeze those biceps.
All right.
The more you use your upper body in this, the more calories you're gonna burn.
Woo! Good. That's it. Get lower. Get low. You got it. That's it. Good. Now we're gonna go from behind. Just tap it behind and work those triceps. The back of those arms. Yes. Good. Pump. That's it. Good.
Squeeze those triceps and squeeze the booty as you tap back. It's a quick movement, but it's really also great for the back of your arms, the back of your thighs.
Yes. Go. Pump. Good. Have fun. Good. Press. Get a little lower. Come on. Elbows higher. Yes. We're toning and conditioning the heart at the same time. Cardio. No impact. Good. 2 more. Last one. Okay, just shake it out now. Just shake it out. Good. Let me see you do a little twist. Great for that waistline. Yes. That's it. Dance it out. Good. Get low. How low can you go? That's it. Great. Take it on up. Good. Shake it out. That's great. Shake it out. Good. You have fun, Katie.
It's like a dance party. Honestly, this is what I do when I de-stress. I do a little bit more of like a twerking when I de-stress.
Yes.
So I know we have little styles are different in dancing.
Yeah. Okay. 2 more. And last one. And pony it out, my favorite. You can stay low and back just like that. Or you can lift a little bounce to it. Whatever suits your fancy. Good. Otherwise, you can stay right here. That's great. Good. Get down. Good. And pony it out. Good. Yes. Yes. Couple more, just like that. Come on, get those knees up. Last one. Okay, shake it out. Let's just take a nice walk. Inhale and exhale. Take it forward, couple steps. Good. And take it back. That's it. Couple more. Walk it out.
Who remembers my mom's walking workout?
I loved them.
I can honestly do this a lot.
I still love them.
Hey,
Woo.
and you can make it your own
Oh,
with this
look
too.
at you.
Hey, one,
Yeah,
2,
2,
3.
3.
Hey, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Woo! 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 Okay, last one. Stay right here now. Keep the knees going. Now think about good posture. Is your back strong and straight? Beautiful. Good. That's what I want. That's it. Good. Thinking about using your abdominals as your knees come in. That's great. And now we're going to do a little crunch. Pull and pull. That's it. Great. You got it. Good. Just pull. Pull that belly button into your spine. You can do it. Good. We're doing a little abs, a little core, cardio core. That's it. 2 more. Last one. Now twist it out. Twist and twist. That's
Woo.
it. Great.
Keeping good posture, getting those obliques, driving that knee across towards that opposite elbow. Also lower abs, using the ab muscles.
This is such a fun workout. Getting the whole body going. Yes. Total body toning and cardio. Good. Got 2 more of these.
I feel it.
Woo!
Woo!
Yeah. Last one. Okay. And now heel taps in front. We're gonna do a little chest pulls to work on our muscles. And press and pull. And press and pull. That's it. You can kind of think about good posture here. Push and down. Push. That's it. Great. Good. That's great. 2 more. Good. Last one. Overhead now. Down and lift. Down and lift. Down. Push it hard. Use a little resistance. That's it. Isometric. Good. That's great. Keep it moving. Non-stop aerobic. That's right. Good. Keeping those legs going, the arms going. We're working the whole body. Last one. Okay. Take a breather. Inhale and exhale. Good. Just walk it out. Good. You got it.
I love to walk it out.
Walk it out.
Walk it out. That's my saying. If
I
anyone
know.
here is through me and my workouts, you know my merch in my series on my app is Walk It Out. We do walking workouts. My mom joins me for one.
I love it.
Woo.
2 more. Last set. Good. Just hold it right here. I want to see a little kick out. Just a little kick out. Little rockettes. Here you go. Little rockettes.
Come on.
Good.
Come on.
That's it. Yes. Think good posture. Good. Back is strong. Back is straight. Work those legs. Work the tummy. That's it. Straighten the whole body. Woo, woo. That's it. But keep it going. That's the key. Did you know when you're lifting legs like that, you're working the lower abs? Isn't that great?
That's great.
Inner and outer thighs. Good. Kick it out. Kick it out.
Kick that stress away.
Yes. You're right. Good. Last 2. Last one. Okay, and walk it out.
I want to end with a grapevine now.
Oh, I want you to.
The grapevine is
Yeah.
so cheesy, but it's something that I saw my mom do a lot.
My whole body.
Her whole life.
My
So
whole
let's do it.
40
Lead us
year
through it,
career.
Mama. Grapevine to
Okay, here we
finish
go.
it strong.
Go. Go. That's it. My favorite move of all time, you guys. If I was to pick one, I'd say the grapevine.
Really?
Yes.
I feel like it'd be this.
Oh, that too. But the grapevine just makes me feel happy.
Because you could also make it your own.
You can
Hands
make
up.
it like a call it the rainbow.
Ooh, the rainbow.
Yes.
The rainbow.
Rainbow makes me happy.
The rainbow.
Rainbow is like joy. Like you, Katie, you're filled with joy.
Oh, thank you.
are.
For me, I like to make it like a basketball hoop. 1, 2, 3,
Shoot.
shoot.
1, 2, 3.
Basketball.
That's harder. Okay, and just relax. Okay, take a breather. Inhale and exhale. Good. Now bringing your heart rate back down. You did a 10-minute cardio.
That's all you
workout.
need to feel better.
Yes.
If it was midday, maybe you just, needed a little work relaxer, just something to pump you up. Maybe you just got in a fight with your mom and you needed a bonding moment. I'm kidding.
That's
kidding.
terrible.
I'm kidding. But
Exercise does bring you back together.
it does, and that's why we're here.
We're for you. Oh, it feels so good. Get that heart rate back down. Did you know in just 10 minutes you can boost that metabolism? So isn't that great?
And your productivity,
Yes.
your positivity.
Your mood,
Everything.
your attitude. Okay, everybody, take a deep breath together. Inhale and exhale. And there you did a fabulous workout, a fun workout. Thank you, Katie.
Thank you guys so much for being here, for doing the workout with us. We hope you feel so much better. You just step in the rest of your day feeling your best self.
Love you guys.
You did great. What a fabulous workout. And if you want more full-length workouts, I have a brand new app, Denise Austin app, that has over 400 of my workouts, plus recipes, plus a great community and challenges too to keep you going. Plus, we have a free trial going on right now. So download my app or scan the QR code.